What is going on, everyone? This is Carlo here at Magnum Crypto, back again with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be looking at a new cryptocurrency called IOTX, doing a review on that, and also, as per usual, we'll be breaking down the market, checking out the charts, because you know I love a bit of TA. So stick around, this is going to be a good one. Cue the intro. So before we get started, as per usual, if you haven't already done so, subscribe to the channel, like the video. You know, it doesn't cost any money. Also, drop a comment in the description just to help the engagement. Shout out to my man Heinrich. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that correctly because he's showing a lot of support. So shout out to you, Mr. Heinrich. And also, if you want to learn the fundamentals, a bit of basic TA, basic fundamentals, basically for beginners, you know, course for beginners, link for that is in the description. Go ahead and click on the on that for the course. And if you want to join my private Telegram group where I post more regular insight, more charts on a daily or weekly basis, go ahead and click on the link in the description. Basically, just look at the description and click everything there and join. So now with that out of the way, let's have a look at this new cryptocurrency that was sent to me to have a look at. So it's called the Internet of Trusted Things, and as per, one of my favorite sayings I think is as per usual. But as per usual, when I do reviews, I'm just checking out the description, higher level bit of it. I'm not going into the nitty gritty. You know, other channels can do that. I just like to do higher level overview and then look at the charts and see what that's telling me. So this is called IOTX. It's been around for a couple of years. But let's go to the about section and see what it is saying. So we're not going to read the entire thing, but essentially this is about it's an Internet of Things blockchain. You know, as time progresses and we go throughout technology advancing, more devices are getting connected to the internet directly. Now you've got things like fridges, you've got things like kettles, you've got, you know, Amazon Alexa connecting all devices in your house. Basically, more devices are becoming, part of this world. So IOTX is looking to solve this problem. So if we look at the actual description, IOTX's mission is to enable a borderless ecosystem where humans and machines can interact with guaranteed trust, free will, and privacy. We envision a future where users, not institutions, are in complete control of their devices and data. No intrusive ads or surveillance, just privacy and peace of mind. We call this vision the Internet of Trusted Things. Powered by the IOTX platform, the Internet of Trusted Things is the first open, safe, and human-centered ecosystem full of self-sovereign devices and users. With the Internet of Trusted Things, we can finally have peace of mind knowing our data, identity, and privacy is owned by us, not institutions. Join IOTX on our mission to establish a new privacy paradigm for smart devices and elevate device builders and users to new heights. Together, we can build the future we deserve. Now, this does sound very similar to IOTA. Now, as I said, this is a high-level overview, so that I don't know if there is a connection between the two, but there are a couple of blockchain projects which are trying to address the IoT issue, or the way the world is heading with, you know, all these devices connected to the internet. So very interesting mission. Now, if you go to the websites and look at the FAQs, there's also some more information about this project. It looks like they have a very strong team consisting of 30 plus top tier engineers and scientists from Uber, Google, Intel, Facebook, and other top tech companies. Currently, our platform is maintained by 60 plus global delegates, including Blockfolio, CoinGecko, Draper Dragon, and many others. So it seems they've got some weight behind this project, so it's not just smoke and mirrors. But let's have just a quick look at the tokenomics. So circulating supply is 9.5 billion, 24-hour trading volume is 37 million. The current market cap is 200 million, so not a small cap, get into the mid cap status. So that is a little bit background about IOTX. or IOTX is the ticker symbol. Let's move over to the charts and then we'll look at the other cryptos, the usual Ethereum and some other altcoins. So IOTX, in terms of data, it started from 2019, so it's been around for a couple of years. And to be honest, on a weekly time frame, you can see the general trend is upwards, so that's very positive to see. And it's now tapped a long-term resistance line that started from early 2020, and now that's tapping as support. However, like the rest of the market, it has topped and it has corrected quite significantly. I would say at the moment it's at a very interesting level this week especially, because it's looking to break past a previous support level which has now become resistance. So if you can get past there and reclaim that as support, this trend may be reversing and heading to the upside. But you know, with the general market, it still has some way to go, because as you can see from this area right here, you know, firstly it's retraced about 82%, which is not crazy considering it's an altcoin, but in this area you can see that it's only been correction so far, and we've only just had a reversal in this last week or this week. So it still needs some further confirmation, some higher lows, break past this level and then break past the next level, and also maybe to get above some of the EMAs before we can say the uptrend is back on. But definitely I would say in the long run, you can see it's looking pretty good.
Really?
And also this trend line could be that point where it reverses, because you can see here, every time it got close to the trend line, it went up. So this could be the start of the uptrend. Now, in terms of price targets, I would say if it stays above this level, then we can see the next resistance level being hit, which is 0.028. And then we have another major support level, which would become resistance here at 0.03 and some change, so right here. In terms of support, I would say it needs to hold this support, this trend line, and not get below it, so 0.015, and then the next major support level will be right here, which is almost tapped at around 0.011. So not too far down, to be honest, if it breaks below, but ideally you want to see it hold this trend line. Let's move over to Ethereum. Now, I posted what I saw with Ethereum in my private Telegram group, so click on the link below if you want to join that. What I saw, which is bullish, is it's getting above the 21-day EMA. Now, I tried to get above this earlier in June a couple of times, but unfortunately there were false breakouts. But now it's back above. There was another false breakout, but it's back above, supported by the 8 EMA. So if it can stay in this above this level, claim that EMA as support, the uptrend may begin once again.
Really?
So we could start to see a move to the upside towards 2300, towards 2500, and then above towards 2800. So as I said, I highlight the last two times it tried to get above, but unfortunately was not able to. If it can stay above this area, close above, claim that as support, dynamic support, and then also claim 2100 as support, then we can potentially see a reverse in the trend of Ethereum, which goes against what I thought was going to happen, which I thought Bitcoin was going to take the reign and start the uptrend, but it could be Ethereum. Let's see. Next, I want to have a look at Atom as well. So Atom, also similar situation, right? Two things is happening. We have one, it's reclaimed the 21-day EMA as support. As you can see, it's above that. It's closed above it already yesterday, and now also it wants to reclaim this major level right here. You can see how many times it's been tested. $11 and 75, let's say. It's also trying to claim that as support, break above, get on the good side of it, and move to the upside, which would potentially complete this double bottom move right here. So there's two confluences right there. If it can maintain this level, then we could potentially see higher prices for Cosmos Atom. Upside target would be around $14.50, and also this upper level of $15. So we could start to see some major upside with Cosmos Atom. Also, we have one of our favorite, Singularity Net, also reclaiming, or not yet, but as of today, it could be reclaiming the 21-day EMA, which will signify a reversal in the trend, and also a support level, reclaiming that $17 to $18 as support as well. So reclaiming that, turning that to support. But the day is not finished, and this is a volatile crypto. So you can see how much is wicking right here, you know, bouncing in between the two EMAs, but it's broken to the upside, which is good. Now it needs to just stay there, and then we can see further upside towards 23 cents. So I'd say that's the next major resistance level. If it breaks below, then hopefully it can stay above 16 cents. And make sure to claim that as support. As you can see here, it's bounced or broken above and then bounced again right here, so it needs to stay on that level. So that will be all for this video. Quick video as per usual. I don't like to take too long. Also give you some new information about a new coin, but it looks like Ethereum is potentially going to lead this reversal, so that's very good to see. But of course, we need confirmation. We don't want to get too ahead of ourselves. We want to make sure it confirms and then builds, and then we can start getting a bit excited. So for now, small win. So let's see how it does. Well, firstly, to finish off for the week, and then to see how it performs next week. So hopefully you got some value from that. Peace out.